32 after 3. Now dada ho. Now diasa. Mama problems no and taking the best part of you. You know what I'm saying?
Over anything you talk to them.
And yet there be another home no phone. No time for no no sorry I no show no.
You know they lie.
Shake it off. And be happy.
You call me your home.
Put a smile on your face and face life squarely. Yes. Believing that God will see you through. You know what I'm saying? That's right. You will never carry last. Because God there on your side, I mean. Good afternoon, welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso, on Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. My name is Jerry Justice, glad to be here with you one more time. Don't forget, we're going till 6. Shouts to the team, Papa Bells African, my man James Star Jake Ho, also live in session. Hey!
No.
Earlier, I posted a video on Instagram. Now, me say, me wish for you for today. Now, I be see someone making so. And yet, there be an abet now. Now, soon I say, "Who dear because of one problem or the other."
From Liberia.
What I say? Oh, there. You know, you need to cheer up. What I say? A woman say, "Be at the ocean on Sankaya." Problems, no one after the other. Say, "Banner, Bernie, and but you know, no." Be thankful to God. Post Gusu Tias now one kwan. And keep believing and trusting in God. Say, Bibi abeye ye na koswa e bompaye na ma waninye mensu mentini suo meni areho dia wo fom nyame esiesie o no do ba be gina pen bia wan kasa bebro wadwene won ti ase so. Yes, so don't give up, keep on keeping on, it shall be well with you. You know what I'm saying? Obeti mi akọ check video ni out. Our Instagram at Jerry Justice. That's JERRYJUSTICE on Instagram. And let that be your prayer. Let that one inspire you. And keep on keeping on. Na ebeye ye. No they carry last. This is Wednesday, the 19th of May, 2021. I'm sorry, I bought room near the videos of our time, my bro. It's baby, I will be on patrol on Facebook, and let's do this. You know what I mean? Quickly, my room on Facebook or not, yeah, share. Real call, no said call. Bishop General, I say Mr. Manson, my how, and that there, Mena Midika. I love the tree. I am Pauna Dika, Bishop General, and then Nelson at the team. Not just on only the Edbe Fear, yeah, at the shoes. Dance on Cat Card. Obedodmu, I see you dancing. Yeah. And then Mary Amaya. I say, thank God it's Wednesday. Yes. Sandra, I'll say. Also, I say, say, Kwame the General, I see Jerry Justice. Who needs size what, brother? You too. You must so too, muscle, Mikram. Veronica, who are dear? I say, good afternoon, brother Jerry. I am watching you live from Italy. More Vim. Yeah. Vida Sap. I say, hello. And they also, hello. Angela Mens also say, hello, good afternoon, brother Jerry. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you, Angela. Nafe. I'm Megleto Donko. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Aviti Esnam. Honors, Brad Jerry. Good afternoon. Thank God it's midweek. Afe Kinapeja. I hope so. Udinese Lagazi on the Nigeria no Troy. Regina Obenewa. I love that name. I say good afternoon, Jerry.
Jehovah.
Comfort Chiwa. I know say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. How are you doing? You look lovely today. Okay. I am good. I'm fine. By His grace. Wednesdays there be say, you know what I mean. I'm more trogum. I feel messages now shall say you know.
They carry us.
You know they carry us. I'm more drug mama na baby. Wow, she said they has to be na share school here there. Anyway, you can also join us on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Video of our time the bros is here. Now and the video no. Enya homeka. Oh yes. Let me fold my sleeves. Mami sleeves na me yeka. And the video na me be ya chono. No kwenya me anim de. Enya homeka. At all. It is not pleasant at all. Video na me be it just so sad. A real video. But honestly speaking, I want us to share this video. Say the beya, ye na ye be extra careful in our dealings with the people around us. I want say e toda nipa etwa hu ahia no. Aya na ye dream so mu nyina na pay yasemo. Especially say wetimi achieve bibi in life. E toda wetimi achoke success bi. What I say when ya bibi na enafofo bound chain they are praising you. They are pretending as if they share in your joy and happiness and they want to celebrate you. Meanwhile, at that particular moment, somebody wish you were dead. Yes. I thought that would name the obi. As I say here, very careful. I want you to watch the video. I am Nemede Brewi on Videos of Our Time. But you're joining me on Facebook this year. When you are down for beer. Or type PPP or type celebration near dinner now for near Shibumu near Kwani good near economy catch say on share video ye be in this year. You know what I'm saying? Share with somebody, tag somebody. I mean Facebook or me say them way no near there but Jeku on bending on be share it mon share with your friends. Oh now what is happening? Or brothers and sisters, share with them. Now almost on share video ya me baby na harding very disturbing pa near there. What I say? Junior Sintim Korea. I say you're so happy today. This this be why it comes naturally. Honestly speaking, say me can no patch and then on can say many just about you know and I mean maybe it's just because it's Wednesday or say but anka show mu pa and you know 1 2 be in me my life personally and can say many just about you. Eliana may can be to inspire you. Say no matter what you're going through, you know, wear that smile, put a smile on your face, make yourself happy. And my or time for now, all your new who say Adena or your name, you know, put yourself together, you know. Who goes to tell us our life no go there? Yeah, what I say. Oh, you see, Anka, you move in more honor. Anka ye that could be as your na show. What goes on? Ewa ya brabum in a day. And now hey, I'm trying to one year, you know, Jehovah. It may catch you some when I am not just saying it. I know what I'm talking about. It's in patcho. I am not saying say problem in you. I do acknowledge the fact that enyema baako mienu miensa bi nko yie in your life. But don't let that one stop you. What you say? Keep moving on. Once you have life, there is hope. Ebeye ye. What? Yes. Me am tell crime we dey munhye dan nyame fine. Me taking my first job of the corona your friends COVID-19 vaccine no. Anya yibia so am say second day no na me share say anya some yibi but and then dey me wo ya na I said dey o person share so a guy share me but me man kwa makwa ko taking me second job no na so me am say I shall say you want read it there but all the same ever ko anymore etabusia join me say see on Facebook na Yemfa videos of our time mentions by Yemfa Ayasda Kesema Flora disposable handkerchief. Used to be a pa. This one is better than cloth handkerchief. This answer all the back what people we are no attraction on saying and repeating fine ya deep there be. Yana kokra come so it fit into your purse, your pocket or your bag easily. Ne bonso nye they are available baby. Dodo panel for Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Sebe na immune system no so ahode ma probable no they recommend Dominion about powder at the amount. Also no pa now the teaspoon and sebi the gu e cap no mo and now mag no mo. What can you na say ya adwo na one no and you may repeat the same thing. Abusua vim ne beba. A sign one normalize or blood pressure or heart or kidney related problems so e feel or spine ya nemu yo ya we adwuma keto bi ate bre or body no ba bia. Stroke ni diabetes na e pampam no. Dodo panel phrase 020-429-6449 and 0543-158-195. Now on the Angel Dominion Bar Center, didn't come up. And yes, I have bar shops. How do you know? They say they baby or baby. Now so called Jody. Yenya man muntie na monhwe we nsoma and they come marketer ayaka sell better product me chef food product what the obasima see AGI any Ghana Standards Authority na ka bom dia ba food products be abekoto marketer e wo obasima see no ho no e chese sa food product no e wo 18 essential vitamins and minerals ya e hu hia de money pedue pa ni titru ye nua na mama so go on choose obasima stay healthy stay strong. Alright, so now by Kanketsi, Infinix Hot 10T, your room now yeah the ene videos of our time, Abrel. And me pese o share sa video we na odi tu hofo. Esan say nipa bone edosun e wo wiase mu dodo. Nipa bone edosun e wo wiase mu. Na enipa nso ti anana koma no ente se bofre ena wa paim ena wa hudie wom etu anhwe yi a wo de ho beto obi so wo benya gidie wo obi mu but e bia na sa onipa akono be pra wo ana sa onipa akono ene bedi wo ana kra sa onipa akono ene be kum afiate asefo asase so jeko yenhwe ene video no na ye ne atie enka ho asem pacho join me say a Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Na eboru mu ho na wa hwe video no na efatu hufo yesi de oben wo no ono a ne nya nso obepira wo na kesi dan na wani age na ogidi se wo na fofo e wo nchen so they are sharing your joy omuso ani age bi na so se de oben wo pa no e na opira wo. It's a very short video that I want to share with you this afternoon na efatu hufo etibra Facebook sisia Adom 106.3 FM. Video no na edwagu no na onso ebehwe bi. Abrantie yi nani age or celebrate wo de ahwe no. One ne nafofo all around him. And na yedi cake esi ho. And there's a drinking glass. Drink ewo mu. Chese no eya abrantie ne dia. Na ne nafofo ni jeje an chen celebrating with him. Almost share in his joy. Not knowing say omo yesana in the process of cutting the cake in any ade no omo poison abrantie no so we share video no so after the celebration mu na no he started complaining, said Neman Koyi, and he was rushed to the hospital. So the video you just saw, no, now on that bed, so no, baby taking you to the hospital. Now him say I na Facebook for DNA they date, you know. We only pass dead bodies ye de cotton wool ahye ne hwim ni ade no. On be ye nti ne ho no ye twa ho no so kakra ma ho no mba. Enti oguso that bed no so receiving treatment na no. Amfa and a branch in wuye. So at the tail end of the video no, ubehu say ye de cotton wool ahye branch ne hwim. Yes, I had na bag na onipa wu ane de na him na fi na ya kata so ya zip no ya to ni mu no. Chese ni na wo video but e ho no ye ntimi show e ho no mo no sa no. Eti baby e ye ma be ende baby a o receive on. Eti ho na ba briefly un say video na chi wo no ba pe obun say na ye I say ye to zip ni mu no. E ho no na chese wa funeral wi no abrante na wu. And after omuye bibia wi no it came out say a poison and a ekum abrantiano. And so they started some investigating here share until now for a bar video no mucha what was happening near the adeno in nana from this point yeah mucha cake no ane share champagne near the ade any popo oko baby I say yeah pop champagne near the ade munano na che say the ono so a mastermind sa Uwu adi enso ye na adwuma ye na ye very 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 careful at a point where adamfo we ojan chen kwa hwe obi ni wallet na say o yi cash e de sheshin botum ni ade na hwe say de oboni timo you know like they say they are happy for him. It, you know, if you have friends like this now you think so, oh no we not for about chen ni je ni ade a but say dem di kan no nipa ti ana nipa koma ntese bofre o. You might think say they are all happy for you and they are celebrating you and so be no na enye omu nyina na efiri omu akoma mu yenye very careful. The people around us aye nyomo kwa ye nyomo benna my yemfa no tra sa keke so we dey you be my guy you be my guy my friend that you don't know this guy. Me then. And so be na DBCSC. You're very, very, very careful in dealing with people around us. Because we know what time for be or tikosovu on one ma or no crown or what time to on ma. But I don't want to walk around no. And on a one share year. Na DBCSC na acquire sa branch story. Na kisidan ena obi one ne nafofo age nani eko wie no e hospital bed so ema fi your fight here for the life and then at the end obi lose the life. It is just so sad. In yemfa emuaba na yemfa ntu yomfo yenya hwe wa bra ye ni agi mu kura no yema ye ni na ho se de be ye na yanko ensohwe bia etiseye emu yan first was da my prosperous on boy ma dani den na edit videos of our time bro Infinix Hot 10T heavy pa very simple way any the latest one cry Infinix for the aba Infinix Hot 10T na obomoden ma won saka bia won say ampa screen here go 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display pa tino bo games near the ade also agina so battery no so enwuda what the bebo nyom bebo games yi videos near ade nyina agina so 5000 mAh battery capacity and the CPU na dem no so they share that design yi say the be how the bo games near ade also a break enya hwe say edem ani say yo na wo kwa and they say when ije Infinix Hot 10T ne ho a you mu aso to mienu ye wo 4 gig RAM no ekura 64 gig ROM ye turn no 788 Ghana cedis and Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM and then 124 gig ROM no so ye turn no 888 cedis only. Now Infinix and can say expect more is say niamo pina and if Infinix Hot series no air bar one kasano it will blow your mind. Now we cry there by the new Infinix Hot 10 Ti ya kan for amawino okotobia or gift ya on sabet miaka no cross body bag a face sports bottles ahodo max ne achede pina no ye dey touch di amawo se okotobi available phone shops ahodo ni nyina mu across the country dodo pa no wo dey furniture any accredited Infinix shop ben wo mu na wagine v Infinix. The future is now. Afe really say you know. Not just say your best sense anymore anymore. Na young boy say ye day around the world in 5 minutes with say Scott Ebebro here on Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. His name is Kweku JC. On hini Yesu. Aba. Great you have Adom. It's your someone I make us and Crawford sending message Adom. Message back boss and 1 2 3 4 Adom. Hey baby Adom. And your baby in the mama who I brand here. Yamunya butre. I see Jerry, today is the birthday of my roommate, bedroom mate, Mrs. Comfort Amariafe. May God bless and make her great. From great to your face. We are young comfort a goyo higher grade fuel CBM. Yes, Papa, tried and tested, proven and accepted. Where you fuel Papa Guka Mwana can any agent. Is suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. Now, in addition to the superior qualities of Golf higher grade fuels, here can one say me no. And then yeah, the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, I want a money more efficient, eco-friendly. Come on, pa. Now you turn at no extra cost. You want go higher grade Super XP Run 95 and now go higher grade Diesel XP. Now you turn every Goy fuel station BMO, not just selected stations. So fill up with Goy higher grade fuels. Na ajibe bia. Goy good energy. Goy ya dim. A rabbi frame ye. I mean. I was here come for the amount Royal Aroma fortified rice. And no any Ghana's first fortified rice. Yes. Ya to aboase the nutrients ahihim kama. Enti wudi sa emuya. Ahoni no papa no. Ni nyina bi ewumu. Iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, as well as B12. Now, every 7 of Royal Aroma fortified rice be abunyano. And now be unya at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients here can one semi. It is a mona bedi dia ayakai Royal Aroma fortified rice. pacha wa pesa okasa na oka de oni onyina de no ye kanfo MTN amount e hye for friend e wan de aba your friend free after one. Yes, free after one. Campaign we are now promote the more de Nina so de kasa mretintin bia opebia. Then you pay for just the first minute of your call now. Why? The rest is absolutely free. In addition, Obasa enjoy 50 MB of data to browse for free. When you phone to see an about star 550 hash. Now our subscriber to MTN free after one, then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Shano so say rent to own. Our Ghana. Amount for the one Jim Bruta. I am talking about the Planned City Extension Project. Rent to own. It is getting better and better. And they are more aquanium waiting in your feet. And now, assassin. Yachess and no one cry. Ningo Pram District Assembly and then the partners with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat and additional everywhere. So be smart because where you live and where you trade matters. And they ubetimia only a fee and now a fully serviced commercial land or space. Now they do DBA person ODD. Memory of his joining affiliate housing cooperatives no. And no sa kunya da ho de ma wife sabria. Special lifeline offer no. And last day akwakosi the 31st of October 2021. O person here doing kita ho a. Free fast ahoma so 055 5530300 and now 057 791 1101 and now 055 705 4635. Website newaccra.city. The Planned City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. Time now. It's exactly 4 p.m. here on Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. And a happy birthday going out to Miss Abena Wiafe of Ghana Aviation, Kotoka International Airport. May the good Lord bless you till you become a blessing to your family and the nation at large. Happy birthday to you, Miss Abena Wiafe. And this one is coming from Mrs. Letitia Mensah. My chuchu muchu. Enjoy your birthday. Jerry, today is the birthday of my sweet in-law, Grace Notte, CEO of Adom African Market, Dallas, Texas. Want to wish her God's guidance and protection all year long. Yeah. And this one came in from 21 in Dallas. Or they wish a the sweet in-law a happy birthday. Epacho yan shesa and kaibo insuna yan twa sonko yanim. Asi amfan to amade hye nyina anim ni titro manfo we Ayawaso Central Municipality said the second dose of the vaccination for omo edikan ateki first dose no from the 1st to the 9th of March. Yes, I shall na ya wo mfoforo. Etime so meka ho bi, etime ka say makowo me de. Date no Wednesday, that's today, the 19th of May. At the Kwakopim, the 26th of May, 2021. Ocha vaccination will cover the following category of persons: frontline health workers, teachers in public and private facilities 50 years and above, persons with underlying health conditions, persons 60 and above, frontline security personnel, frontline members of the executive, legislature, and judiciary, and of media, and your way come on. It is a say Obeko any clinic, and now say vaccination center. Now also yet me a vaccinate you. Bampacho Monshanoson, baby, oko take you the previous one. Oko a simple, no becona records in now, so I say. Oko now do card nako. Now we additional information kakra me de Emma. Okwa ebeya fa wo national ID card no so eka ho. Say wo driver's license and say voters ID card no. Some you know so omu pa. The reason is say ebinim ho no mo a omu take first job no. Ye gi omu details ni nyina all right omu capture bibia omu data no. But ukodu a omu key in we you nanka u data na pulia ba. Enipa bi bebre ho no omu be na omu data ne ma. On be ya na the system no. So in that case no, they have to go over it again and then I say re-registering. So it could do says at that point no dey no kwesa na unkura national ID bia na ABBO. Timpacho kwa o dey no ense hwe na wafa ID card the account prequent in case you now encounter such challenge winner no mo etimi assort out the amount kama. Me say do some pulina me details number. So they had to do. Fortunately for me, then I had my card with me, and they did it, and I was able to take the second one. And I issue card from my just say I am fully, vaccinated there. Tienda shena yendi sunia yena bibia anya kama. Am I in and Chebia Baba shot somewhere due to on for an area. Mema refuse says Cotton Sujina Corner. Y'all there around the world in 5 minutes every said the Riani Jan National Oba Modern Saka Royal Drinks he been out to Kakra. A bebwapa. I know the year pa. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and then Royal Cocktail. The Onsabe can be make sure say well chill the pies and ultimately fully taste ye. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. I hear 2 series 50 pesos in a shop near you. We are another quality product Efficacia Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. For bulk purchase now our phrase 0262 351 251 and our phrase 0272 133 373. Royal drinks, you go like them. Now by kind courtesy DBS Roofing, Door Master and Pudman Paint Depot, and I feel MTN. Your barber shop somewhere due to for an area here on 106.3 FM.
Ofie Kwanso. With me, just on Adom 106.3 FM.
yamo break akra na yenhwe ene asem a yede etu ye hofo ewo Ofie Kwanso medie so Adom 106.3 FM. Okay, so and that Wednesday na me no chair assembly under the theme believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Nyame adom no de ochna Thursday chair ya the part 2 of this message ya me no bechi ebeba. Na fe ya killing na on Friday. Na che say esi. Eti utie ene de na make sure so betie ochna de na ka ho. Na fe nso no nyame adom a Friday the so wait account na aye complete. Then who believe you or wa mu a when ya vem no na watimi dia yesa. Dipacho. Take note. Eye ne ochna and afi Friday and I de HSA asemi. Now asem no eye tiawa wo bofo kasa emu no. Ene de na aye che no. O say the world is a very mysterious place. What you send out comes back to you, and what you sow, you reap. Don't give in to failure. Know your worth. Simple and tedious. Ewiase na ye buy na nkasa no. Enye nyama nyina na ubehunu ate ase akwa akosi ase pepepe sa enema bi won mu akwa akoye ahintasem nemu made ba ko mu ne se de efiri unchen kono esan ba won chen san so ena de wudua no eno ena wutwa enu nti se ko ba se enkuguo die bi eba asetran mu a manyi ntum saa se wo de nkuguo die na be die sa wo ditum saa de ne saa na be ho de ama wo isa se de wudua na wutwa esese uhun your worth cry say de osi esombofa say that's right, yeah, yes ese utimi hu say wonso oye obi a osombo na wan hu ni saa na ye wo say wo de onka ho bi a saa na life no so be ye wo ochna de tosu minu ne ba ubenya ntiase ni ye na Friday de no tie kan de na wate ase akosi ase ekra etie na enhwe ne enhye no so say de udua no eno ena wutwa ena de efiri unchen ko no esan eba wonchen enu ti se ko ba se enkuguo die bi ba wakwan mu a meme no anya wo se eye saa na tie nti no wo de se ya na ye bo wo de saa na be ya da bi men yintum saa o accepting saa de na che saa na pesa brabo no yema wo eti saa so ene bisi akwafa nyame ya adom ochina de toaso no beba na entiase no etimi awie peyo na Friday de ende bam dia na che se ba bia wu amanyina na de se fa film ne de sua de bia no yetimi de ahwe ne de ane sa na bibia so akoyi e de amanyina ya first was that am I proud sponsors na enche bia no says Scott and so better nas near around the world in 5 minutes. April. If I show Asida and they my proud sponsors. And no a door master and Pubiman Paint Depot. If I show Ubo room one more and they are queen and Abaso bit me I enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Shenzo say over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Your doors range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, bathroom doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door biano are available. Oh yeah, so yeah, also beat me about no abejo the price and so they that from cool. And about painter from where? Yeah, Euro standard paint no. News paint here I can say me no. Your acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coating, waterproofing, damp proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, in fact paint accessories ni na no ubenya e dey free as well. It's not say you partner with News Painting in any other share by a friend paint now pay later. Ya ni na say schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers ni ano. Ya mama akonya say mo meji paint papa ibi News Painting na mo fanko paint mo dan ahodo no. Na yen spread this kind of mam na mo tuatua no kakra wa bra yen fa interest bia ento so ma. We yen komo bi mo de yi. Eti hwehwe Door Master and Pubman Paint the poetry acquaintances here. Ye wo Accra Kumasi Highway no so. Pubman to booth wa. If I say ujina Pubman to booth wa when it ya shop num. Na wabana ya business. Na bibia so akoye ede amawo. Ope so friend na oni dinkita wa 0542 745 222 and of 050 021 2447. Afi asde di from MTN and they walk off free after one share ne diaba. Ni nyina say wo kasa no aka de oni na de. We pay only for the first minute of the call. The rest is absolutely free. Obesa enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free at their tattoo. When you you phone the boss is here star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one now. Then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Afe finally as they do on DBS Industries Limited. Yeah, nee on also akofa are losing trusses thereby. And friend young good dinosaur and son how the chance ya bosso. They say yenesa ye they are losing trusses CB in the guso. And no de ni na da so pepe same level until the chance in the boss what say perfect a level in pa na bibia da so a lightweight in fa pressure megina a dinosaur we so de en re na ache en yemu en hye en ye tie ma warranty 100 years and over na che say a temusa ne adea here check on the expenses road next to Papa restaurant na yem ma free estimate na so yem wa na dinosaur no enya kama obetimi afre 0240 844-444. Kumasi phone phrase 050-600-4141. Nata Kradi for phrase 050-600-4242. Now on the DBS Industries Edin Kitao Nabibianso Akoye Ediama. Check your time now, just about 15 after 5. In the next few minutes, it's gonna be around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scots. Birthday today, and then a belated one and so and call Emma Kojo Aseda Omabo ICGC Stone Temple Laboni Nyame Unsha Omo Enyina we Efi Nana Afe G Ma I don't know if it's supposed to be grandma, yeah, Ernest and the rest of the family on our mo Ede Eweshimo Awoda Papa Afe Yefi Eno Enso Eswa ene Celestine Donko ne birthday gospel musician Celestine Donko happy birthday to you nyame onshapa Abigail Awaye Parma Italy oseme we show happy birthday ma na ose nyame nhira ene na ho den ni nyansa enyina edema ene yedi se nyina emra wakwan mu wabra udi wawodai happy birthday to you. Okay, Sir Scott Atnase. It is said the big kind no yeah the year around the world in 5 minutes ebe shesu sesia na yahwe enenso ensem awodo a eko. But before that no happy birthday or say enkoma my beautiful daughter na Omaye Aba Anan who is 11 years old today. It's my prayer that she will grow up to become a responsible lady. May God grant her more wisdom, knowledge, and insight from your mom, Christiana Nate, and then your dad, your grandma, and your siblings. Omunina, wishing you a happy birthday. Okay, so Scott Atenase, eti yebehwe na yebie kwam na ene around the world in 5 minutes ye dey abrel na yahwe ensem ahodo a eno so edwagu na so beto bombo so on to bombo ni nyina ewo nyame nsem. So ladies and gentlemen, around the world in 5 minutes with says Scott. Na ene ansana meye sewa no me pacho mama me mbo voice bi emamo obi de send me day no crowd. Okay, it was on Monday and rechi but man who message no na bra me hu ya na say enye ize enti me pacho ansana no mo me yentie we and there's a message attached to the audio now, my boy. Or say, my little boy loves it when the song comes on, and then you start saying, "See wow," and I say, "No, see who." He's on lunch and just got up dancing. I say, "Akolano, unyati say wow." Edi akolano say no, and I record no. Tinkolana ayo no kwanso ya na nkofo so ka che biti nkolana mo so mo feel say wa wadi na ayi tu che wa mu na and now on that note say wa say wa say wa say Scott Bradley says Scott Bradley Scott Bradley Mini akwaba
ye na rapeni
na empom to saying
nyame adom balance ne nye yaka wo mu mfi yen eti so nyame yaka wo mu mfi Bradley na wo so mpom
mpom ye
say wa ne de aji bebia
aji bebia
me bebia o say and they say wa obi kura ni midi no say wa ba ti mini say wa no mu say midi o say wa no so
and then me call HR department ho no and me call na me ne Derek Mudin komo na noms na say Scott na and I'm saying oh me say me share that the banner officially me den the bet sham ne ade and I'm so okay it anche bia na mishia na ile banka sanka sapa no so say na I say Scott and I'm saying oh this year kwa na Derek no say na me catch up there Scott and I'm saying you know
say boko di omo me dia
oh that be omo mu tino na me na msunti won pe cash kakra na ye fan hwe na me nya ibi ni ade na say be
yes oh Bradley read
it be bia be fine
manasi o
bia be fine
menshiawa Bradley na endra na eyemi ra birthday na endra mama sister Charity
okay
happy belated birthday and come on nyame hia no we every neba Emmanuel ni Emmanuela ho enemy we should say nyame hia no na onye na kuma so ade yeah almost ekro betu me rent but
menya message say akola na e born na de ne mama ya send message o say you just made his day that's akola no tie na born na voice
whyade akola no nkoso brother
yeah
afa na obi esi Africa foforo unim say eya ye mo makwa abamboa dia waba Ghana so any African country bia wodi ne nation bia say man akwa abana so metimi am makwa abana
makwa abana
and ye kwanda ho yo brother welcome to Africa whereby a bema ebeto 10 cedis credit edi ama woba na owi a borrow credit edi afresh a woba welcome to Africa.
Okay.
One characteristics are you Africa no obebobodin to credit 10 cedis edi assign woba owi a na wakwa ko borrow na wasan di afresh a woba na Africa. Welcome. Welcome. It's brother Jerry on that note. Can I tell you something?
Go on. Go on.
Brother, can I tell you something?
Go on.
Okay. Say a quine the hodia. Brother, you him say. You can't adia. A more ha Just say akwala betimi adia more ha e wo wiase a man reproductive organ.
Adi more ha
pa me na me catch you
ebi mood. Okay, okay.
Me say
yes,
adi more ha pa e o wiase mi a man reproductive organ.
Okay, you mati mi mkumbi
na o mi say di entia.
Okay, they did, yeah.
Brother, you and I know say it can be lifted through thinking.
I am dead, oh.
Brother. You and I know that it can be lifted through thinking, right?
Oh, it's 2% what you say.
Oh, what are you?
Okay. So let's go over it again. Say, Scott.
Yeah.
When your case is
when your case, educate your man for. So I'm on the two of them. And only the lightest thing in the world.
The lightest thing.
Idea munya do when you see a buy. One flower. That thinking now. You very much.
Yeah, trust me. Yeah,
brother.
Yeah.
Catch the baby, yeah. So what the girl? Call university. Acquire say having a car without brakes.
What they?
What say no girl a pen person one.
Yeah.
And the air sponsor the na university. Acquire say obi a okuta car brakes in town. Yes. Yes. Very, very dangerous. Yeah, very, very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Brother, you mo ransom.
You go you.
Brother, mami go India. Na menchira woni ama bia esi. Ganges. The holiest river ewo India. You find Ganges. Na sisi ane de enzu no oje na hwenje. Dead bodies and a flow to a river no so Ganges river, the holiest river in India. Na areho semne say COVID-19 na eku amanfo no nti wo bekọ say insuo no so no na dead bodies di akwani abasa ha se Ghana flag no ekọ basa e na wo hwe ade no nsuo echi nsuo a nsuo na echi nsuo a dead bodies de da ho akwa ya ade a brofun ye beka say it is too aquatic for my liking. What you say? Unti kura brajeri ade. Yes. It is too aquatic for my liking. Akwa yeah. Chese areho sempa brajeri. Brajeri. France any Australia for ati asem dey. Say omo bar san bibie bars any restaurant after say omo easy restrictions no. Omo easy na kakra no. Omo bar bibie bars and restaurants.
Oh, okay.
You know. Omati asem pa enya asem ketwa shops ne ade nyina no omo consider say enche bia no ombetimi ebie intino omo woni nyina no asem pa ba omo mfa ne saa edenyame ase mfa ne saa edenyame Rajeri yanko Malawi na memfa asem ne wi na Malawi unse vaccine ya be nidi kura yede ha dia da no obo kire mi
dewe
Astra
Zeneca.
Yes, AstraZeneca. Na ebia kwa kopi mu ho. Na eye health authorities wo kire say edro na omde bae no vaccine dodo na omde bae no.
Yeah.
Dodo na expire.
Me
na me ka kire wo. Dodo na yes, dodo na expire. dodo na spy enya asem ketua dodo na spy enu nti no omo hwe se na ebe ya se foforo na omo besan dia bawo se kakra na aka no ombehunu ekwan a ombefa so na omwetimi ede aboa timemfu a ewo enu nti bragery that is that.
Okay,
that is that. Bragery mediasi
Edenyamiazi.
Can I tell you something?
But kakra.
Oh, Bragery, can I tell you something? I can Bragery, can I tell you something?
Okay.
Bragery, you stupidity. Stupidity. And they say, as a married man, you have a beautiful wife at home. Smart kiss. Yes, still no, you are receiving insult from somebody called side chick. Stupidity.
Wait, can you go over it again?
I'll go over it.
Okay.
Me say stupidity. And they say what yere e wo fia no ho ofe. What I want kwala wo di. Receiving insult. When I'm sorry. Okay. Me toa omo ba ka chem se wuni mi wo ba bia.
Okay.
Bragery to de bia. Unim. Azem we am be ke bragery. Minim se men to koma o se men kan. To de bia on. Ye nkrofo police. Omutimi tie back no mu ye dede. Asa asem na esisi ano. Something tense this can also.
The sort of aggressiveness.
Hey, my friend, come out of the car. I said problem is, you know, 10 cities.
Cannot solve it.
Maybe Edison Scott, rather. Woko achimo da ye fre kuro bi kajabi. Na just a woka. Na wejabi. Rather the French ni make address say. Je vais
Capel. Yeah, metro.
Rather macro.
Oh my goodness. So that was Scott with Around the World in 5 minutes. Yeah. Happy birthday going out to a beautiful soul, Kim Loretta Sapon of Tabora. May God bless you and bless your new age. From Royal Adom to you. Into this one from the man Samini, and he calls it Wise. Please wish my Akuma a happy birthday for me. Her name is Mrs. Gloria Odum from Akosia Getty Koforidia.
Watch me light into now, you me bye. Yeah, Mr. Style, you know. Piano. What's the son me guy? Watch me light into now, you me bye. Hey, Mr. Style, you know. Piano. Crossing the night. Mommy, me. What lock in the dime. Mommy, mem. What clock in me lies. What blocking me lines. Can you watch me in the wise?
Good afternoon. This is Sammy of Sam J Electricals at Tema Community 2. Please help me wish my son, Felix Nyamiche Abeka, aka Brian Nyamiche, a happy birthday. May God bless him beyond man's imagination. In Jesus' name, amen. And cry no more. My love is at your door. A long time you never got to love me like this. Here I come, yeah. Proper love, better treating. No nagging, no fighting. Only smooth kisses and smile. And that will be punching on your face every time you proper love, better treating. No nagging, no fighting. Only smooth kisses and smile. And that will be punching on your face every while, yeah. Nevertheless, from your skin out in a bed, me must have to make sure say you get it in the best, girl. No matter what you want, no matter what, me and your man, in my arms. That's Kiss and Cry by Stone Boy at the back. And the Benetton Music Group, together with McDan Group of Companies, present the Anglagat Junction, the 1-year anniversary virtual concert. Yes, on the 22nd of May, 2021, 6 p.m. sharp at Bayview Village, Atomic Junction. Come and experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performance. The one God. Yeah, man. Now, the baby the crown and say there's gonna be renditions on Teda of your favorite song performed by Stone Boy himself this Saturday. For a limited VIP experience, give us a call on 054 547 7777 for reservations. And I'll bet me I'll log in on to www.ticketmiller.com. Now we're streaming live at 30 cities only. This event is sponsored by Adom TV, Joy Prime, Joy FM, Hits FM, and Adom FM. All COVID-19 protocols will be observed. I was sure Ben also say a bullroom na de I irrigated sports at Twasoma. I will feel Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. And the answer no ye be man penifo abarum na omwakasa na yakoye nim.
Well, please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. So
my name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mitia manage na me stress.
Nice one. Over.
Open program one Denisham fast sports one T Irrigated Sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame akwaba.
Kwagome Joso.
Na what to say?
Jana dum.
Na we no timi boy chiri mame no.
The chase abona me chira ona. Na kama.
Sa. Momo family.
Na just be I me catch from no the motor phone bi.
Momo family sisi ana ya why? You sending message. You say send your message ntie be wie no mo de abana. Ye mbo no picking kan ya na say the idea. Oh. and you na now send your message na na bibia ni ade anya ne say nyi yeah
okuna won te say
oh me hoye
ene uku
nse
kwesi de twem na yakwesi dai o
say ene me makobo me second you know I could take me second job now.
I want to person me busa
me call na but surprisingly first one now me call take here and it was a Wednesday sir eti omo here na lady no us why are you always wearing white and my dream so and I'm saying oh the day I took the first one it was Wednesday. Every Wednesday I wear white, that's why I was saying eti any from Saturday then so more na so we am the editor cotton beach so the bear blood no enyenam so eyem kura enyere today
o say the only the abane de mo ball back no na mo san kwa
ha ne yero
mo bi ne de je say
mo betwen kakra
ever nkwa asem so ho
mo betwen kakra edi ye wi a say we no kra no de abayi kra yi a ye wo
enso mo back ni na
ne dodo no kra no enso yen ya born kane no
okay I
because okay kane no dodo na e bae no na doso e chen nansan ya de ya ben
intervals no on the bend
tino it dey besi
well say yan so ye pendi o ye mo bi kura no so ye pen me say my ma beti pa mi pe bia wo it say mo be wo nyina wi asa wo ye
obeye say fantini kada obeye asa wo
akwa mama fon say
obeye yi no akwayi a oye na adwen say man yi painting dan na oye say oye ade pa o painting obetimi a painting ama no so and oye so okay and o che no man ba ko dan bi e won potem wa no che say o pesa same one na bi white sa che say e paisation na ba aden enye den kra o baby bi ama no na oye estimate no this kind man so ko to painting na o menro painting man no ne ade anti unu aso bi na okoro painting by na wati painting abodan hu ana we say if you about I'm not near doom say ya be mintim za odan no man ba nos na de na de yi wo sha de na man de ya no go painting dada I said a bright white kama pa na wo de so the man not
obey
oh be bright or the oh be bright or be bright za 6 months eti mudi anu so obey wa kakra e den a bas ni bi e no ma wo bi wa
akuma ai sofo akwa ben na na de bible kita ne e chen kuro yi enti ma sofo akwa ba de wo mu bia no so
ene sofo akwa ba o
sofo
uvie
akuma fo
ene da bi on person for na
se na ba jise se obo fo
o de tie on person for de ene kwagwa we na de akwa ba
yadro
akubu nsam
na boko de
ya do wi awo
enya me wan se kwa me frɛ me sɔfo
bible ne so
isan se bible no ya kan o mu se bata kenkan o mu bata
sa bible we no ye ko school na asu form ye hwehwanim no kita sa bible type
o da we na ntwere no susu se
o the bible kas yes o twetwe
se ye hyase widi eye we sa font ne akase an ko bi anche space o fi wani kan ne ketekete be group no na pressure ba wani no so na eni sa hoden
wani ni ahoden book is not to the bear when you saw to the bear but when you know
what the bear when you are say when you are give you a friend pressure on the eye who bisa optics for now back catch
and if you want so almost you like a holding lightning enough lightning more of for this
yeah
and the same crofone but we don't say a reading lamp out of furniture use no it's in the table no short book this one kasa when you chrome one there bo baby o tell call preps no the whole light no
is that bro fi do how many nye but for do how any
and you ever said you fire
o munya zoom ni
but da bido no so o munyi ansa
you so almost with ding wo awani so ten wan afi nyini am se ngo bebre nye is ye hu de nye
o so yakra na me de nwanwa udi mi edu am si fu
na o kan jabu ehu asem
jabu ehu asem papa wo de no
da bi me de me wo ni fiada se fiada na 21st
o test message na ba
ba o message na ba no me kan news no kra na
just the system is working
oh what
24/7
system be
yes system the send test message ha
Masa.
Akufo do hwe hu se obi e fe na mpofo age e ofiri ma mpon abetran kan abo bra awo pan
enya na do we every vaccine app
no de
app no UPP vaccine app I say hello Benjamin or say ample for you. A second dose of coronavirus vaccine is available for you. Come with your vaccination card too. Send me Carnation Polyclinic. On the 21st May 2021. Thank you.
What's the system now?
Susumu any mre because jabu you grab baby. Say when say akaka crab na nebre etwem. Yeah, anti. Yeah,
say yeah nyina so anye ne tempa.
Yeah, kwekura dem pa bompa bo se bia. Ni ingredients ni bi enwati. Anti susumu any mre sanze.
But the man in charge
but when say second one you know uwie a wo preach no as say ugina yi na eno no ya na ebetimi
na say first one ya mfa for me say me first second one if ya dan say the whole of next week this ya dia mbehu me
say me ene na mateki ene na mawo me de no
awo
me ko wi na
ansa wona wo ja me
na de omu ni say me war first one no
ma say na me hwe wani mi na
oh me anam ti we me war first one
me ye lu ayehu
me war first one omo anka hwe anche me o enso eno no me feel favorite e ma blister scrub am no ne ade na but second one we there me wo wie ya na omo ya ka chere say me go be say brasita wo bia na me fam proper check akra ne ade it would use a second one, you know, and no bear she. And I'm here, come back, I'm a catch Eric. Me buy better, no. Now me think of videos back on me, worry, you know. My tennis, our second day now, and me starting now. But
before the second one, we are not a sing first one. And a Monshire, a union in Casana, a Cobasa, a year, mint me ma, or be sure at him working. And yet, you bet me do what to fear. This is be also better deaf. Ah, that's a first one, crown was which one I was me and my experience there no they say flex it back on me the traffic back on me the traffic now me feel free
oh dabi
yes cuz I man na me dey better kwame na blisters aguna no na dey better dabi entu so saba just me yen say
me nya wo second job wi a vaccine bia aka asase su bia me pe bia wo because they say me hu se manu atoso yeah manu atoso for vaccine yeah
obi ma see ya wo bia so wo yellow me ma boy hepatitis so da
and dey me nyam boy
esi na ka ba ya na nka
dey na so nyam boy
hepatitis
and no say
my checks be 3 times
and no me ko sunsun me dey no
wo ya na wa monitor ni nyina
say wo 3 me wo 1 no second one a time no so na me wo ye no third one na me refuse na matu kwan ti me buy na chese asi achiri kura
aso woni nyina
immunity ni nyina
ti sa na won ka
so we say bakora mo wo na ya hodi kakra ma mo na we di bi be foaso second one e di hodi be foaso wo ye
we na be ma ayi na yakese no
ma yesi mo ye wie kura mo nkoso an she mask no ne
na me she me di
to come sa na man for one to trim say the so nya the first one likely say the oko we e be chen
likely
and obi also onya
likely
obi also fa bakuru wanya second one so onya depend obi ana the body
okay
it wanya no che say the body bia na yesi onka ho a enko ho say me ayen frɛ mi e say kokodi line say ye ba be because ye wo ma wo ba ko dada ansa na ye ko wo second one for no ba ye nya wo ye die na che say ayam bambo na ye be ye kakra pani so Billy Potter actually did that or your actor Hollywood ni ade odi mu akoten pa Abrantia no interview no dia to just say about 14 years ni na onya ace na da doctor ka tell say onya ace no ye na adwen say almost nche onipa bia wasase we so na emom owahoode bia ane awreho bia otu ni nyina agu no aduro na ede ma no wakoso anom a on kan chiro bia because ono film na wo Hollywood ono oye black man na anyema binti no ye discriminate da wasa wo kaso wo ace dia ene career
ene na cheze bobu
enti na maame so ya brewa no so ne maame no ka chede da bi kwa na wafa mu awu on kan chede ne maame ni wu a no sa bloche so brofo no omu ntam za o
yeah
life expectancy ni very high
maame no so anyi ache
maame ni nya 14 years ni onyare kro no awu enti nene na nsa no ya na adwese we de e be CBNC wode nsem ni nyina betu dwekwa ku nsem wo keka na no ode Pase one country will be a so no ho da bia so na pon wan ho se ne oni ace bia no na mo mo kicho se on for man crofo but say no hwa no ho ya dimpo ese abra na oni ace no san se ndro edema ne ade nyina no ofa Now, also, you boost your immune system. If you are HIV positive, the
antiretroviral we no crown and
goes up to boost your immune system. So, I'm just no crow ace, no. To see how to 20 million ace one or what neighbors and prince Yancy. Now, no one says, I mean, you could get down.
I know because Kuyana.
On your ace.
So one who didn't pay some
oh, that is about your hospital to check you. And I want to be. I want to check you.
I want any person. As we go on, you carry in your silver car in a whole day.
One day,
does it look second? Does it even look it?
A young voice will be to best was that we make out with them pessimist and one day.
I don't know.
Why no one's one no crowd neck up and pink. Kanya, or Kanya.
What talk of the garment to the
and you one. Carry no thing, oh boy.
Best in your manager because she has one.
What you care at it? This guy's also on the top of right. And I'm a cow. We don't need to know what they know.
Some of them is so proud. I must say, cow with any food to men toned down. Oh, young got 7 years.
The consumption, yeah.
From home, only air condition from home.
A penny system in my doing. Now, and then many tried to be soon. I must say no.
You go,
Cramaya,
you know, yeah. Okay.
Cramaya, penny, or you are pretty young con.
Cramai.
Oh, yeah.
And they'll come out the natural.
Say yes.
Him is working.
If you are making, we can say, yeah. I get the beer behind, but photo evidence or you go for photo.
The system is working.
Wow,
I said, Cramaya or we are ready. Nation say, I didn't know.
Come on, we are ready.
Hey,
yes.
Just I don't know.
Easy.
What a wow.
Obeni asama ya kano enye easy sa.
But also Cramaya.
Dabi onti Cramaya aboa edu enye bibia resa fe dia ready.
Appointed to be seminar na woni sir.
Odwan na seminar.
Odwan seminar. Odwan to be seminar.
Na we na ore no so nyeze bia nko otafetafe hu. Ni dodom ho no de.
O ka say the why. O bom. O chi nsuo no.
O ka say bia edu.
Dabi o chi nsuo na ma ore. Opa. Why word pa?
System ni mo e din tie ka.
You say I didn't call one Harry the number 4.
Mama e hwe ne nka.
So ne number kwa wa people ade ni ye pa.
Obeni na say me na mo na makopie bibi so ate say. Unse Nyankopon ne nsa no nwuma doso. Ye banchi. Banchi adiwo fufuo de ye ayi no. Me ko hu banchi bi a de we banchi na si abo no. Manti ase. Banchi oba ne be ma wo.
Banchi oba ne be ma.
Brother na minim so mo say.
Difference ne dey.
Banchi say oba ne be ma wo.
And they mean minim.
Dey na ma hu so.
They significant but they have it.
And I say
oba minim banchi no.
Dey na odi hu say oba na say be ma.
Kwa fa so ne na bi so.
Enye no kre.
Oh, that's not.
But what to banchi
dey. Banchi dey e mo sha asase ni mu. Oba dan say we ne ba. Enye no kre.
Ni ruwa ben ko.
Kwa enye no kre. Kwa enye no kre.
Ya mama je kwa me dey di say eyi banchi oba ma wo mu no. Je ko fa photo ito. Banchi otwe duapa
ebia banchi no ayese be ma yi ntina wo kan sa but banchi e bo hye fom bode na ho se ho ze apem ne apantu no ho che sa apantu ne oba na apem ne
ze banchi na me che se banchi bi ko ebi nso onim sa banchi bi wa
banchi ne da won
won we e bo no na abo ayi abetua ntem ho ama ne be ma etue no wa ma no
ama ga gidi picture ya ebeto odwe
we so de would be say de tie ebiare na ho listen ka
usro bolare ana
ai
bula so de sa
wo say we no oye nipa anka we na ebiare na ho
anka we ni fu o de atu ye
ebiare na ho pa
o say no e bosses ni munya din a ebe show anka o hye ayi material tra yeah
we
banchi na da ho Facebook for mo bro kenye
kasaba ba kasaba
we banchi na obani me kwato so obi so adi fufu awie na odi emire ne nwa na wodi dia prepare duane ni nyina awie na aka emire ne nwa no nko
aka emire baako na enwa baako na ode ato ano
I think seven na me here
ode ato ano
na me here sabe
many boss na say eh
apostle a very long time
any man say o say ayi enana machi wonwum bi nipa ne din say o
Ayo boy yenyo
Je ko pa joro no so wife na wi say the yesibu sanra ayi kokwa ya tutu de o hwe di wi
sorry
oh je ko fa we de to omire ne nwa no so etu ho na amanfo hwe mani so ade hu se Nyankopon ne nsa no nwuma dɔso papa tina se
ba we de
taka no
anka wo de ko enipa mu a we no a bad defilement because e me na down enya ne so nwa na down no
picture we me na me create here me na me here
ene ebeje copyright
ene ko je copyright no
me na me here
itu na yes hadi
over post
ene adwumbɔne wo tim etieti kwame yi adwumbɔne wo tim e kire se anka yesen ka wo pɛ enwa oso kakra ana
asema wo bekan ya ne ye bobo akira udi ho fo twa so
picture we the year actually last year na before COVID kwabeba na me didi kakana just came to me na me so me hear say one down when I'm the turn me track me phone so
and then
we post to
any ugwada o okudi ho fo
I think we be talk taste na baby
ayro ho kana na hwan na hwan asima go ku han ni a wo kan me kan wa ka no atumi
but just can already
emire ni so osimire ni so
akwa dia se
emire we so
emire ni so enwa no ni so
enu kure ni so obani
enwa ni so okay amano I want top we betima say bie se we come on pressure kakra bia like we set up no so be bie
enwa ni so enwa no anyi ba onwa
we enwa we fa enwa enyo tope uze enwa
enyi se
we enwa we enyo tope
Nyankopon ni wo but the not
wait before 2 years in yanko is I the picture almost 2 years
but the not obani na eni ma bi ko so a o se mi ani da ho eni epenifo ka se bi se Quentin Fifritual
anko wa
so hia obi wa bonten no wa muani ana ho yi a wa hwe de asokwa abeda wa chinchire titiru ne ye ma na aba no ene man duro na efrinity ekosi ne nase no artificial nko a yeah ti wan hwe ya abaka se bia uje wa bere wa bi ofi akwakofa de wasi so wan hwe ade akwakofa no na owu akwa aba be
Facebook for be Teresa Pio say ebeko straight
eyin wanu we are when you dey about ne resanya dey bra and when you but ne resanya dey
about be say ebeko straight
so na dia kwaku ye na me kwament ase na say dikin 70 obani we obi si ababa jeko di kafa ababa no photo ne to ansa na usia no a atare e sere ne po yi sisim se ya enie
efe
se adia ode
as I said a man dear nyama obi so mo to nyina ne ade nyina
ye ko nti fa ade no fika de sa ayese
ne po no so ho artificial so
aba fa to na opani we
ona se sparks rubber
opani on say ade ni city e etu hia no na obona t-shirt bi naja
etu be ka se on mo brazier nti we de nufu jejia so ne po kra na adrodro mu
na ona ma akọ ne po na akọ we
da bi se wani on say nipa ni
asemu ni
taso kwa behwe
iti dia kra na wan gia because me ba kwa kwe why we say be ma ifro no ko na enu nti okwa yi
we na mo ayo me like
ba me so me pesa de nta esum me da light wo so na me da o
me say
esum de me pepra
we dey obedum light no
me dey esum de
we dey obedum no nti ode bossa no de nam a I say ge iri ahwe no ho so ye
me hu ba kokwa ndia
we so wan hwe ya obe ron bedu ba bi na enya ife to ni nufu no so cause ebia ohwe bi ebegina
di wele ya odi so nufu so di so
I say silicone no nti so mkura na hu
silicone
asemo
na kwaku nufu no me mani complaining ana are they complaining
saying
says esusu ana
I wonder
dabi aya na enye ne kese
ba for firm purpose
ayi unse bibia tehwe sorry but we no tehwe ntimi sorry biem
enwu sorry
ya ne ntimi sorry biem
ewu na ewu hu
hey sister yi
o ba so butimi ese junior ade amadi bi mu de jeje wo
Ebi no come twatwa pictures omo we bi omte or the tie her. Not the attire has it now a pija nufu no say negina wa or why feels is here people. No nufu so media me proban adwin so no ba na tunu nufu so. Nufu so na re. Adwin mo muso an. Anu ko chichiri kro fufura na. Nufu no so na re. Kaku. Company one no say say why no so e dey so wano enyina kwakuba wanum eze o tre science ebe nufu osen wano etimi ngura mic eti ade na ya ho fa ma o nufu ti sadwe eti tese eso shouldn't be a problem no wo a wo kan ade na ya ho fa o nufu ti sadwe wo ru mo a wa ya yi na ya ka wu na mo de ede ede wadum na ade se o je num na be num na ade be de ana mo num nufu wan mo nufu na mo kan na ko en wan mo na e kan wan mo ana ba no de se na udi etire tete wo be num e sex ntina nufu no bi e pe wo be mia na wo num but kunya ketu atukura eh nkola die a be mie no eh nkola bo kromo anya zo bunim ze nufu jaisa kam o jaka na se na upiga na die pa abese wabeti ya akese ne obo ai on so na wo ye desire na be me keep fit why fit upeso ya ko jogging kakra o shirt how to say na ye upeso keep fit ya shirt na ye sa su na to ba no so pese o se kaba ai aya hwe omo wo sheka ba unze ma omo ni nufu unze omo sheka ba na so na yesa hwe omo shepa one cars omo she sister me who omo shepa sister dia na we kai the whole of this year ya tibi ache this year omo sheka ba na de amaye unshia oba o sheka ba this year ene ma woni omo esan ire na so oba bia na oba mechama na kwa sorry o cheche na se me ade se won kwa sorry ti sa Exodus 22:16 ma me wa to asem no so na kwakumie Exodus 22 e me ma bia wa hanti onu so mi so o kenkan brofo na nanka makenkan twi no ana me fa twi ni mra oh there be twi there na ne kan ni kan twi asaba mo ma me kan e di twi ba mu nyina mu dwa no ya bi kenkan o se Exodus 22:16 what they ato je ko kra so they ato eh 22:16 opening king kama me wa wadaro ma Exodus 22:16 see if a man seduces a virgin who is not engaged to be married and sleeps with her he must pay the marriage price and marry her if her father absolutely refuses to give her away the man must still pay the marriage price for the virgin Netre se no de enya papa na beji ba virgin na beji. O say twin na beti ase ye brofo de ya wancha dan. Eno brofo no anu tie o de share last one. O say if her father absolutely underline that refuses to give her away. So all payment the man must still pay the marriage price for virgins. For virgins. Yeah. It is so only oba o da oba bi ne da. Na se wo koso koye ne ho ade. Na ne papa ne ma me se omo nte ase a pe bi kakra ma oba no na twa ne bo sa na asem nyina a kire kwakule me ka no tia ana ma no so ye ebi wo kwa ye prepaid bible so futu ahodo ebi wo kwa ye tua cross na no me kan na ma nte ase nti na me pese me o da botwi na chi ron me hwe twi no eye ezo so nguma no eye we ye ebose nguma mo se o ma to so mienu etire aduonu mienu eyi mu dunsia unse o kan bible so nya wanim kakra se de hu ni ye e woni nkitinkiti ene empanifo na ka bible asa o se obi kodada ababa wonye ne ho ade a ana se onye na wade a na one ne da mano metra de na onware no se na jump ne so se ode no be ma no a on kare sika ma se de wo mama abunu tra de no yeah that means say papa no yes say bia sa be ma we de me mane ware me bana that means aware no emedim kura na still no bride price is say utia is a kwan bia so no de ekokosi nya na say wakote ano ne de say ubreki virgin a wo say okotua ene ka wo but kwakudi e me de no say bible no antwa bo but say no wo ware ebo be na wo wanum okopa ni ma price but bible na kasa no wan fa bo say manik bibi na ko how do you come?
Manchester United, Mother's Clough, Father's Clough, I catch classes.
If you are now be binye.
And
I know day MCB am
I said that why I need you. Now a cow of you. Very poor.
And I know
because no be I never release Kabio Davi. I go via.
Makakoye Chiamiama. Obano nti be mai ni ma odi be nti before so be kire ni ma no na abusuan de list no abehye me nsem da
I say so the compare
me mo akire hwe se bibia wo na emze wonye na sikana ka ho nanga
amount nanga ni ho yeah
Is if you flash as yet to Cabrani, which is a Anconi obey Akika Bibia, we need the say, yeah. And almost when you insist, say, one year, an idea, I didn't mean to one after the other. A bush of one back or check if you want to come now. Dem Kakui on 3 years, a check in one set up 1 day. What science still. The actually now said, when you come to Bumasan and Tia,
and our lesson on Kwanso dia now did this with 2 dia I tell about the ba and them about me about na home I one I na na wada kanimu no and normally em yeso timutim kwa de papa ba kopetum na MC kukura no ayere na beti se de mu eduru no but scanning ade na ya hye de udi agro mpare abusiafo na obeko je ko na gi pictures na say
African na openi ye Adden listeners no emu bako Openi or penny kese pa on fire gated ni agro Ghana Great Company Agrico boss no di Owura Jonathan amwakomba otia irrigated papa no say ene Mrs Juliet Tui ana dinye Tui TUYEE TUYEE Tui. There be 3 day time.
Tui.
Sembe kure.
Kasi teacher ni bia. What's going on?
Said the work can be an atwaso.
Almost to teacher for the onongo. I'm friendly tree. Teacher ni tin bia. Oh, try the secondary school friendly tree. Oh, na man ni pie no obapa na we di tree. Na me say
school for the
I trade there. It is oja.
Oh, I dey nice.
I mean your body na nkasa na open no fama o.
School bia be ko be ma odin foforo.
O member ma odin bia.
Utimi choma de kwa no wano afo.
De wani nye ho.
Teacher ni wano afo no de aye odi.
Mrs Juliet Tui, secretary to Gridco boss. Say na wa woda. It may show happy birthday.
Okay, me ba ansa na be try no so no. Minro we mami nui. Osi today is my wife's 40th.
Oh, they are near family and friends.
Osi today is my wife's 40th birthday. That's Mrs. Sarah Omari of SEPS. Headquarters training department. From my kids, Christabel. Is it Ivana? Okay. And then Raphael. We wish her a happy birthday by Zona.
Zonatica here.
Yes.
Kwakuma mi at the leave letter or the letter come on the penny say want me maduma na rezia ti also want me kwa aduma no na and said and tosun or the chance say enukunu or konom para say ti an ya na why mistake konom viagra na wonom viagra no hwe ni kunu so house girl no so ofia uncle ba bia
na bi say onum wie na ade ne eyi
that is the aduma
ono oron kakra kra ansa but
oh ma me side
but still na
eda so gina
na kwaku hu nto no sa viagra
ma me su tama so be kwa aduma
na house help no so ofie ho nti oja ne wokwa aduma pe
awiya afọ hu
tnese
obepe be afọ ni dua ho
na afọ ko tu so
ese otimi send mail no man boss ntempa na say this is a situational report
when you know boss bi asa dey cry say what Jeko I uzaka picture bia me dem awia Africa ma send picture dem fama Jeko ma kwaku Accra House of Folk ai me dey woni say me timi metra ase me nka house asem ye player aye Benjamin Afutu
Afutu nya
Afutu
aye Afutu
ni anya
say you will be a free gift ni all gifty
any akache dey akache
ti minim dey ntose for picture net no na amanfo and Afutu dey no ko I beg e baba ben so kwaku abrantie yi the modern more eso ni e wa Accra House of Folk ho enti panifo ehwe se obesa atenase na ode nsa che kratase na wakoso asi akan e de ama the powerhouse of African football enti boy no wanya offers bebre bi fia bro seni ade nyina but kwaku local league no se nyame ye wadom na se o shine wo musa no a ato da bi se wo pepre wo ho and se wo bokakra na utintim offer bi kura abase sia ofo se ye offer ne bi kura na utintim kakra na offer bi baba na be chance offer na kura it be the foot na ma foot say on forget so offer dwen so be sa ma house folk no on forget na won san fa ne san krata ase kotoko players ne be brain na aye sa de no a kotoko sam om yes ne bi aka we bi so months ne bi aka ho a on mesi akan boy no a very very bright future na me kura me hwe say enka ye be friend no kura e dey na ka ye blasters 8 dipa 8 ya free ya free house ni bi ai but that notwithstanding no OCP na onkoso si aka se na wo si aka na kwaku abranche no onyiye ampafoje oje ni picture nyina menim de ntia oje opese odi na nim atoto ne 25 years no ho kwaku obi ane ba bia ofiri na obepie nkran ase etuka so hwe obi anim ane na nim kantuma na de hwe ni mfie dia obeye mistake
nti afutuo ekwa ma afutu
enti kwaku onya na
blasters monkey o hodada enti fa we nkoka ho o de monkey retire
monkey ba ko ne kwa
Minga monkey mezi monkey
monkey out. Sana beto ka tefu dis ya.
Minka bibia mezi monkey o dada.
Yeah.
Tinti fa.
Na kwaku ayi story bi so Adom ayi page wa Adom online. Abusuafo bi onko sie fun to kwasi fun zo wa hweze yi. Hey, ba ko kan le so fu bi odi dwa odi nua de na ada on bezo msa di fun ko fie ko wi ana.
Oh, yes.
Na me kan say na musie na mkwakwo konto kwakwagu yako fa aye picture na to man kwaku wonno msa foda
msa foda say papa nganka di mu ode no
eno ye freni entunkum kana mitie
ade entunkum
de ba foforo no na wo
fresh no
abeda ya kwaku papa yi wo twansan bi na de tia ne se da bia wo sori so ko twansan na obekọ na nkrofo adi kan akote ensa na nom na anya me nwanwa
aya on sorry ntem
nya me nwa de setama ye wo St Peters no na obi be to school na beni bia na ono eto abe no ti anopa me fa me gallon se na mi ko nsuo sa no a enye ensuo na de confession kase pa man no mbebo ne kayiye ti yakwa ahomache sa se na ye ko se nsuo bedware na me ne madam fa ba fa ne patoa se kro teacher ni na yakote papa na be no na edi agu gallon mu ne yakope ewuram ba bia hye nti ye pon school a na yakọ ne ye nom papa yi sen grofo wi na be na chenti se se amomra Adom Facebook page no so na mo we ekwan ya offer so abo na be no ho ban kwaku waboka ayebo glare proof na minim kwan how many years obete sa be we ya okọ ho kasa no kwaku ya se obetwa be no obi be ba bete wo se abe no esoko ni so wakọ abeso da esoko ko enti abeso ayema no
we say wa bracket ni de
obi anu obetimi ade za waka ana wasa de padlock kase pa atwa no aha
we dey kwa adi jama okukura bani na view
abenu so untumi entam kwaku abetwa ede pa menim se no obi akwa beso da me de first ne bi wa akokono ne asomoro dwenti woni akokono
yeah
woni asomoro
na bi da
aha
asomoro de yan
oso de ai
akokono na area as de on e
ni nyina ya we
as
unu bi da
asomoro no na wabenyi from akokunu stage na wabe Dubai wadane fly
na utimi na akokunu stage na
no akokunu stage ne there oye nam except for nanim one pen solid and kwa nkom timire na wona agree to say kotobi no but obeye ba akunu de saying obeye asomodru se hwan dia and then na why denden wadane fly no why
you denden no the inner feeling is there
and then I say all wins said be I say all race flies ni bi
o kudi na yawe akokono yawe asomodru yawe ni mi owira yawe wan se na afei unim se wan so epe abe ho pa wow bees eti oni ba kuna otwa be no obre eti ko twa betwani nsa wa ha ne pa we dem crofo di ntia ka ba ko bi se do ye ne se there be anom kwa no makote na ono an eja nanan na o chegu mu kakra saa
kwa me ya pon
enti abeno so aya na adase kwa hu se minim se nsamfo no hu se na ye ete a ujesi ho na impurities no akodase enti akwana owi abeno onum oba pe no be fa garo no ye ne se osa e wo so ne kura ka ho na obo ne se gwa to wi no question se
we close. I was your first that Kesema Imbus Heba Mesha, aka Police in Edro, Papa. Now, M1 immune system, no one yet dame. Now, for Arabia, into Nipedia and Fana baby, Ansono, and Shana and Kuntia Saya, when in to us, a man, what me, I don't know what my papa about with him. Kings walk about where can she drag in a be all alternated and dependable bar shops across the country, Rubina be I face so do any HM away health alert shop at St. John's I be our star. Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Ekus Pharmacy, who now be Little George Health Shop, our Tema Committee 5. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and our 0246 208 496. As they do Pharma a royal drink, or see you go like them. We a special one, come on, pa. Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Atune Boise, your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and then Royal Cocktail. Come on, pa. 250 pesos, no ajibako boko. Make sure say well chilled, no wait me out today. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251, 0272 133 373. Go TV say and can't say the final stretch of the football season with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here. And once you stay connected on Go TV, know I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, and many more. Make sure you stand by your team until the very end. This is football worth watching, and you can't afford to miss it. Connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. So I'm using my Go TV app. And what me witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football this season.
Open Gangnam Style.
Go TV. I say love it.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Meba. Yan fasa and Kabowe intromusesia. We the 6th mobile annual conference. The 6th mobile annual national conference 2021 and Basui Nyame Adom Saturday the 22nd of May 2021 and it take place 10 a.m. Award the Asbury Dunwell Chapel Methodist Church Ghana Conference Office Wesley House na conference maybe because of via Zoom it's patcho link no and Zoom link no and me de ema we to no be fa pen ne paper na watro http /2 double / bit.ly/MANC2021 Zoom link etwaso and a pre-conference registration link no so no http /double bit.ly/2021 MANCRSVP. Now, sir, general meeting for all old boys of Infantsipen. Kwabuche, Jen Shekan. Kwame, you're sorry now. Time.
I am Madam Eunice and Ponsa Kumi.
Okay.
And weekend, yeah, and I feel Azaro, so me chop my community here on Coco, and not penalty say no so every month.
Okay.
So weekend, yeah,
you're not so ye never.
We can do the one to Canada and work.
Okay. All right. And then on that note, no. Yeah, we share Dr. Drew and so any new animal so your mom so shedding na almost omo emame efrimu ohineba Lydia Ajua Ampoma Foster na also no on the 19th and the 20th of June 2021 ena ebeba so na yeton safre jamfo nyina se momra na metai abusuan achi ni nuanom a eka ho Mr. Steven Udru managing director of SIC, NFA, Miss Matilda Drew, deputy director, retired at my Ghana prisons, and Dr. William Drew, and so Atlanta, Georgia. And Bushani Yamamina shedding Tinyame Adomwa from the 19th Edikusi the 20th of June and Ayono Ebebaso or Esiakwa Tidu on moi na Yashena Yakwa Kuja Abusiana Yetimi Akra Yamame Fefefe Kama Ohineba Lydia Ajwa Ampoma Foster na yes Nyame Onfanekra NCA Abusia Yankanfo Fortune Rice Emma ya enono so no unyebia utimi se emu ye pa ya bibia so ebetimi akoyi kama ede amawo na ni nyina ne se ye omu aso emu ni bi won mo a cheze atete preparation wa hwe ya won no na jonsem se anta ye ka se kwaku ye ka se emu ata ase kire sen won no amo ne ye se emu no ate
enyiya
bo se ayese bobo no but Fortune Rice there ensuo kakra bi pe na wunya just a little water ebema na ben ebe kama rice ni bi akoye ensuo kakra bi so na emo no bebe na ayese bo wo de susu gre nyeyi but Fortune Rice there ensuo kakra bi na aben kama pa e de amawo ye mu asoto ye wo eye Fortune Classic and na package ni green no and ye wo Fortune Delight and no package no orange and ye wo Fortune Delicious and also your packaging red kama pa etiman sanka de on sabe kan bi emu ye ensuo kitua bi utwata ho a odi sija so na ben we say kama eyi mako and stick it together embum enye peche said the odi kotwi mutu no what as here to bedi mu a ayakai Fortune Rice emu de yi pa we enso de ene bo nye den e available market baby Fortune Rice always on point just like mom. All right, Abuja, you're fast down on mom now. You're so enim.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. Got to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Puma, oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Maya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the drawn one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Drodua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Moma who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are Maymu Babia Yato in row, at 2430246 208496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
Bernity Music Group and McDonald Group of Companies presents Unloga Junction, the 1-year anniversary virtual concert. Date is 22nd May 2021. Gates open at 6 p.m. sharp. Venue is the Bayview Village Atomic Junction. Experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer. One God. The journey to Unloga Junction will be full of non-stop excitement. For limited VIP experience and entry, call 0545 477-777 to make your reservations now. Log on to www.ticketmailer.com to stream live. This event is supported by Big Boss Energy Drink and Techno Mobile. All COVID-19 protocols will be strictly observed.
Proudly brought to you by Hits 103.9 FM, Joy Prime, Joy 99.7 FM, Adom FM, and Adom TV.
Wow! Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Benjamin! Kweku! Nkwadani na wa he. Akwesi.
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from my anopotutu to say.
Pepe se wabua me. Na me de momo no. Ama ni sika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie Jaisa. Se say momo aye easy cra. Obetimi afre wo momo. Eno an se obedial 170. That's all. Mami chiro.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayemre sei. Ena de bia me keke mo friend kwada yi. Chia, afa.
Ma, o friend me.
The dada afei na waba. Eye jai. Miama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a odi betwa wo momo. Eno an se wo be frɛ 170. Na watie wo momo manu no e wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbani ene awusa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170 and dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What man paint depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. See why you paint and pay later. It's just kakra. That's a 3 months. It's yankai. You see if you was asking real wooden here. What man paint depot? Almost stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobiman Tobu to
Hey, ama. Mese ne, boy be a misiano. Real deal, package ankasa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with 6-pack. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, papebi. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. Sonia Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. Oh, we're ready. And Capelli. Hey, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello, Epacho Weni.
Hello, I'm a Yabweni. Yemo Jinkwa. When you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane 10,000 Ghana cedis a big boss. Now, so I'm saying, you saw money a bribica, crabby the home mobile money number you saw, or mobile money pin number count. The what's really at you, Sikano? I am simple crash.
Da wo ho so MTN adwumayefo mfrɛ say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansa na wabedi akyɛdeɛ bi a wadie ansa na wabedi akyɛdeɛ bi no na wato ho akradeɛ kai sɛ wonfa wo mobile money pin ɛma wo bia de bia da ɛyɛ wasumasɛm sɛ wopɛ mu nokora frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na wɔmmoa wo nimkyerɛmu wobɛtumi nso abo amanneɛ ɛwɔ mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515.
MTN, everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What Pobiman Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What Pobiman Paint Depot. Paint to quality biara. Since why you paint and pay later. It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. You see if you want something real wooden here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So what Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobiman Tobo to
Hello, Ache. Hey, one mess, Papa. Some catch you. Me catch you see a betcha George. Giorgio, quite ya, chino, Filica dochi.
Hey, wait, you boy. A den you see.
And see, now one name is Sissy here.
Amma, hello, Amma, hello.
Se wupe stories are asresem or don't any drama one with dia. She Bounce Chronicles. Roger Channel 118. If you say stories no, yeah dia will Go TV so. Cause you Go TV decoder. Tia 109 Ghana cedis. Nenya ekukudama what drama, telenovelas and sports mo. Connectify my Go TV app so and now accredited dealer Bia Bell Emo and Shisheka Crown. Go TV. Love it.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Okay, na edi my dear na aji say. Aden we share Diana.
Nanama, the Shemukasi has say. Nia wote no ye Cindy Rice. And on a medi yame munu anina. Cindy Rice demufwa. E yi mako ma.
Meet me a cashe.
Oh, what then? Cashe.
No cre. Cindy Rice idie. E mwe dankasa.
E ye Cindy Rice. Na ya shisheno every 1 kg. E de kopim 50 kg. Benya Cindy Rice ato. E 1 crown kre bi mu e ben wo. Wo pedudwe tua. Fresh 0540-101-671 and at 0540-106-294. Cindy Rice, Sham, Ned Denso.
FDA, at Shady Crats for Yatsum. Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go!
Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that?
Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Unya Bemanua, de Pia, Gina Fonson. Hello, I'm Rosia. Who fasten with Chibia?
That be all, Mempe. Wait, they meet you.
What down for Noa? We didn't wait to memoir. De Pia, no Coca-Cola catwalk. Yeni na yeni mobisa nenso omuniwa na eduane di asesa en Kenya braye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni FDAG edwadin krato yatu.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
With your promotion. Every 17th May, Equasi 29th May, Giant Tech Limited, and your free cleaning, and my LG products removed. And to sell LG refrigerators, LG air conditioners, and LG washing machines. So, bro, you be cleaning them free. Shusha Giant Tech Limited, and one grind. Speedtex Road, you will oka de kwechi pay. And our friend was 0550-780-779. And our toll free, it was 0800-515-515. And Shusha Kakra wo Giant Tech Limited. Care and delight.
Say,
say, Minia, I don't know Rahusa. I don't know how.
Kwame, many me busia for a money who can see me. Me bank edim hiamobio. Sisia na wakacha me say, "O ma me busia me pegiri ye ejumano." Banking kindness surgeons who are a chamber.
Because I'll come with dada. Mammy come for Societe General Ghana Mao. Sabusia we, what betting no text mape SG Ghana Banking Kunya. Na mammy ni ya to me a show of free school fees on sem. As I be and Casa Jimakakray. Why ye sick a semwa who to so, I want yamre. Sabusia na unia dia, and the SG Ghana Banking. Bria, or mammy see one from cry. As I mammy bra, me betia, and mammy want me. It's me poco drabusumi dusia. Minia, o fata bankia, who bet me a G. Now don't want to so. The Adom soon ajo.
Societe General Ghana, any day ye power sitting woman in who name, the Mabusia ye pa, na ehun si musu of cra. Koyen krabate duana ye wo man you PM, but you see kasam homwa. Societe General Ghana, that in ye wankasa. Santo aboy baby ye wakuta on sabusumi, and the tosu dunsia, a film pim ye dunubaku.
Introducing new Super Yogo, a new fortified frozen yogurt from Fan Milk. Super Yogo contains vitamins and minerals good for your body and well-being, like vitamin B2 and B6, important for overall health and brain development, as well as assisting the body with energy production to keep you going all day long. And calcium for healthy bones and teeth, so you can go that extra mile with a smile. Enjoy natural goodness and nutrition with new Super Yogo, available either plain or an exciting lemon flavor. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
My
Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso, with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Show me. Oba besi awonam krofo kono moso. Abranti wa udugun krofo ayere num suwe. Mahunu me pe makama pa. Yeah, odi akoyo beda. Mahunu me pe makama pa. Oh Lord. Okrofa ko wia. Ya di bi be yawo. Udi siwagedem go on.
Who is your lover?
You see abafrakawa enko penines when a dear hein wo. Ubona kwa la kiti ni mami size no ni neguro. Ubona kwa kra pusu ni nana size no ni nama.
Oh, yes, wow.
What did that dance so na ye dada?
Here to namo.
Hey, me baby, what you mean when you?
Who is your lover?
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
No maninya moto. Abro puso. Onana size na ni na ma. Oso akwala kiti. O mami size na upe. Aden.
Who is your lover?
Abafrakawa enko penines when a dia hein wo. Ubona kwala kiti. Ni mami size no ni negoro. Ubona kokra puso. Ni nana size no ni rama. Asichira ni say, just ni say. Ubona why ujidi ni say, tell me.
Here to namo.
Yaya tita nina whiny. Yaya tita nina whiny.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
24 hours I want me be sanka say who I am me. Baby akuma beda me sunti. Me didn't confia kochi ama wo.
Check it out time now. Just about 19 more minutes to wrap up the show and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 FM. Just gone by was Rex Omar with Odofo. And before that was Charles Kojofosueke Daddy Lumba with Maria. Yeah. And today's one from the man that's Abraham Hofe Jamina. And he calls this one Ahofe. Yeah, the fly to summer in no time. Yeah. I beg make you day here now, you know what I'm saying? Yes, you. Special shouts going out to you, man like James Nana Afo. Yes. What Total Service Station. Yeah. Total Service Station. Shaman motorway toll booth on. Yeah. The show near Juma phone in now.
Promise no promise no put to grow. I bet you for power some video where we enter me a friend if you got your man.
Yeah, please wish my brother-in-law Richard Boabin a happy birthday. Though belated, more grace, more money, and prosperity from Fred Fusue Siama. His wife Ruth Boabing Esiama, and then Steven Fusu Esiama, wishing him a happy birthday. And from Mr. Ben Dankwa, I'll say please wish Sister Jennifer of Kube Krum. Oh yes, interest Waya Tema come to 7 near the Joint Church. A happy birthday for me. May the good Lord bless her and keep her. And also a G-Man birthday. Yes, and then a G-Man birthday. Na say there or your pastor said they na anymore. So a happy birthday and come out Pastor Nana Ajiman, aka G-Man, aka G-Love. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Nyame onko swana unsha na onfa enye nejuma. Nana say Chris Wado. Say nyame unsha na onye okese pa na onton kwandem. And then a happy birthday going out to my one and only beautiful queen, Rahia Santiwa. The message here is I love her. I still love her, and she's still the love of my life. May God bless her and bless her new age. And this one came in from Desmond of Accra, Newtown. I'm on food, Diodo. Yeah. Happy birthday going out to my beautiful wife, Mrs. Benny Stella Efia Ofori Amoa. You are my angel, my strength, my support, and you are also the gift that God has blessed me with. I promise to love you forever and ever. I wish you a very sweet and a happy birthday. May all your dreams and prayers come true. From your lovely husband, Papa Maxi, your son Nana Kofi, and all the family. We love you endlessly. Empress Berry. Hey. Charlie Max, Charlie. Whoa, I was young fafla and twasso, Nafi, yeah, sorry, so, and call ye dim. Yes. So the president of the Brothers and Sisters Association, Atnase, okay, I am talking about the fancy door, Mommy Boat. Yes. Your man Akwaba near Fafla, she shares my boat Akwaba.
I don't know why.
I'm sorry. Sandy even reminded me yesterday about Charlie. Please forgive me.
Roger, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
How's work?
Yes, we're managing everything, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, Roger, this is, if I don't take time, it's going to take very long.
Okay.
So I would want to do it quick.
All right. Let's see how quick it goes.
We usually ask our listeners to call in and either ask us questions or we decide to ask them a question.
Sure.
But there's something going on that's really bothering me, Brajan.
And what's that, baby?
It's this fraud, mobile money frauding thing. It is getting serious.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've lately heard about stories that are going on.
Yeah.
I think these fraudsters are rather advancing in their games.
Yes. They keep changing. They change their strategies day in and day out.
So today I came in with an audio that I want us to play.
Okay.
And then we can ask people to call in and share their own experience.
Okay. African, where's the audio?
It's very interesting. If you listen to the audio, the way the guy was talking to...
How you went about it.
Yes.
Okay.
And I don't know why, when even they call people that are old people, they don't even have mercy on them. You don't even consider that this person may be
your grandmother or your grandfather.
You don't even have an idea how the person have hustled to get that amount. They don't care about anything like that. They just fraud you. They just fraud you, and they say things like the way nowadays company they can even hack your own number.
Sure.
So you would have your phone, have your own number, and this person can change your number on WhatsApp pages. The person can just be there receiving your phone calls, telling people things that like will be answering the phone calls on your behalf as if you are the one that's talking. I don't know if the audio is ready.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
the audio is ready.
Is
so
ready.
let's listen to it.
My name is Cecilia Amanka, calling from MTN office, Accra, Uzure, Mr. Solomon.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we are there this evening and someone wrote a complaint that he has mistakenly transferred you mobile money, but as we check, he is a fraudster and a thief, Mr. Solomon.
He's a fraudster and a thief?
Yes, he is a fraudster.
Okay.
Mr. Solomon?
Yeah, I'm with you. You say he's a fraudster. Yeah, I just got a call from him.
Yes. What he has done is, we are there and he tested your number to 1515 that he was transferring mobile money and he made a number mistake. But when we check it, he is a fraudster and a thief, Daddy.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you too. What he has done is, he has generated an authorized to hack your SIM card. Please, you understand authorized?
Yeah.
Yes. He has placed some on your SIM card. So it is pending on your pending approval side. So if you try to check your balance more than 3 times, he can get the access to retrieve all your money, Mr. Solomon.
Okay.
So I will let you that do not try to check your balance anymore, okay? When you called, were you able to check it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Okay, I will let you that do not try to check it. Then you know your actual amount, that is in,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. This shows that he's a fraudster, Daddy. So we are very hello, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm with you, please.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience that's happened, okay? I'm very sorry.
Yeah, most welcome.
I'm very sorry.
Most welcome.
Yes, so please, the number he used to call you, is it on your phone or you have deleted it?
I haven't checked, sir. I'm doing something, so I just got a call from him. Man.
Oh, please, what he has done is very more serious than anything. The authorized is spending 3 good days.
Okay.
Yes, it is spending 3 good days. So if you try to send someone mobile money, it will go straight to them. That's why we are calling for you to delete it permanently on your SIM card.
Okay.
Yes, please, the number he used to call you, can you get us the number so that we can block the number from the system?
But don't you think you are more fraudster than him?
You said what?
Don't you think you are?
You said what?
Don't you think you are the most fraudulent person?
You are your mama check.
Sorry, no, you need to. Hey, Assemble Grand, you do what she has said. Nah, oh no. You see, some crop way, the only you know, as I say, a song way. I forgot to see, but I don't know. I don't know if MTN can do something about this because.
Brother, do you understand authorized?
Yes, do you understand authorized? You are asking the client whether. No, but we need to be careful. Anytime you receive calls like this from people, I mean, if you are not careful, Charlie, by the time you realize your money will be in someone else's wallet, so we should be very careful. We should be very careful.
So I don't know per time. I wanted us people to share their experience.
Okay, maybe we can squeeze in some 3 calls and see. Okay. So 0302216561 0302216562. If you have a similar experience, maybe you can share it with us, but make it as brief as possible, and then let's hear from you. Hello. Yes. Good evening. Good evening.
My name is Pat.
Pat.
Yes, calling from Bunyarifam.
Okay. All right. So Pat, we are listening to you.
What you are discussing, it happened to me yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
In the afternoon, a call came in.
Mm-hmm.
No, you told my mistake. I send you 170 Ghana to account. Send it. You enter your code and send the money back to me.
Yeah, that's what you do.
How that? Can't you go to where you? I don't know the card that you go back there. And say, no, you send the code. You not send it to that money. Then I start you. Then the call came in again. Putting pressure on me, so I happen that mommy. Hey man,
it's okay. Don't. All right. It's okay. Honestly, be a shit.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, what's the name?
My name is.
Your name is.
Calling from.
Okay. All right. So you go on and share your experience with us.
Told me that money to my account to take. So give them my name that can withdraw my account. So I told them, office that one up to them. People should be very careful.
Okay.
And anything into the ID card that you say, if you are going to withdraw money and you don't have that, you can't withdraw it. Not working. Somebody retrieve my money account without my ID.
All right, that's a serious situation because what they keep telling us that no one can withdraw from your account without your authorization. Yes. But here's the case that people are able to, go around it, and it's on way. Let's pick our final call. Hello. Hello. Yes. Good evening. Evening, boss.
It's Mr. Nay. I'll be with you. I'm forwarding a message, mommy. 1.5. And I'm about 2.1. But there is unique. Once you depend on my account. It's only make up. I don't know. I tell you. I'm starting to hear me.
All right. Because of time, TSL, we need to go and then chip in the last one before we...
Brajery, like I'm saying, people would have to be very careful.
Sure.
And would have to open our eyes. Just don't answer calls and be giving people your PIN or your code. We should all be very careful. My name is Mane Boatema, the Fantidor. I'm the president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. I'm out.
Thank you very much. And shouts to our sponsors, Vodafone. There's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society, so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more of this, just log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our keska. Nanso charges some 380 cedis. What send this can kwa charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me atie. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me me network ni there. Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. What send this ka with Vodafone cash swa e free. What send this ka free Vodafone cash. I got network bia swa and so you free. Masa into work catcher. What that so you then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you chip not to ball musisi a. I know say there. What send this ka with Vodafone cash so I got network bia swa e free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia got network bia so free. Dial *110# says in the send this ka.
Kwame, hey, Jumerano, no me who what you?
Uni answer the printing Jumana say you can you some high into customers in Jumani nego. In fact, a hard Biancasa.
Oh, Charlie.
Hey, Baunia, why are you? Into which me to generate a say, hey,
Unia, Manto, me rente. Hey, and your generator express for ya when a him. Anointed Electrical Engineering Services, Sanya Rentals.
Hey, Tresse, we eat one or ton generator and spare parts of Papa. Nessa on after sale services on Cronoa. Almost Sanya Rentals.
Sa pepe. Anointed with generators and who will be bria. Now who in free 5 equals 1,000 kV on the high.
So I'm on number 77 Anointed House here. A woman lang or call Quinoso.
Mo Kumasenso Anointed was City Style Dynamo Awamakum. What ben HFM. Na Anointed and Krabate war manumu be Biazo Gusu Bejuma. For hotline 0243 480 334. Anointed Electrical Engineering Services. Still generate more before. And then one best school in any. Class prefect, Obiawe.
Say, one money I real. Ya test me who say malaria.
Sumu to 20 and your woman to couple. Na senya once na so dem for to me die fu echi kwa samadono. Sanso na one that treated net mo a entuntum betumi awe wo mo nya malaria. One sha no wadi kan wa samado.
Say, nipa bebre aso den. Entuntum da ya hye na dro no. Wo mo na mo. Entuntum hwe wo mo. Na me die. Anadwo bia medam insecticide treated net ase. Enti meda asundue muli.
Dada na jo wo mia bebre no ano. Amanfo da treated net as it is malaria kwan. Da won tontom dynasty debia na jumo ni nyina. Emfa baby obeda. Emma bibia so nsi wo kwan. Good life, Abra Bopa, Boniye, and Kaiboy Ghana Health Service, USAID, anyone abuafo emebebre.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station.
Fan, Nido Assessa, bringing us to a close. Yeah. But before we check out of here, this one says it's the birthday of my sister, and at the same time, a friend. She is Irene Ajako Latte of St. Peter's Methodist Church, a shaman. May our Lord Jesus Christ bless her and increase her in all that she do. Happy birthday, Abena. Nyame onshao pa. Medasi Bra Jerry. God bless you more. Parkway Tema Community Force sent in this one. He does it, sir. I say